Myself, Dr. Raktim Mukherjee, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department, Shri P.M. Patel Institute of PG Studies and Research in Science, affiliated to Sardar Patel University, Anand. In this video, I shall talk about telomeres and telomerase and its role in aging and cancer. This is the third video in the series of cancer biochemistry. So there we have telomeres and telomerase role of aging and cancer. Professor Elizabeth Blackburn has already won a Nobel Prize in this particular field. So it's quite pertinent with respect to cancer. We all know that our body is made up of several trillions of cells, and this cell has all the information that it requires in the form of genetic information or DNA. This DNA contains information both the way that body functions and also whenever there is a change in the sequence, it also causes disease. Also, in case of human chromosome, we know that human chromosome, just like the DNA, is a linear structure, and the ends of the chromosome, we have certain repetitive sequences. They are called as the telomeres. So this is the background, and with this background, let's understand what are telomeres. The ends of each chromosome contain structure that is called as telomeres. The telomeres are composed of DNA and proteins that are located at the ends of the chromosomes of both lower as well as higher eukaryotes. The telomeres consist of short repeat of TG-rich sequences. Coming to human telomeres, in humans, the telomeres consist of many, that is, when I say many, 10 raised to 3 or 1000 or more of TTA triple G repeats at the terminals of 3' ending strands. We have to understand that with each cell division, the telomere shortening would take place, and eventually this consequence of aging, the telomeres will be shortened. The repeats are maintained in germline by the action of special enzyme called telomerase. I would like to tell that the enzyme telomerase is always high in actively dividing cells. What are actively dividing cells? The fetal cells, actively dividing cells, and even the cancerous cells are also actively dividing cells. In all actively dividing cells, the telomerase is high. Now, what is the role of this telomerase? It is the telomerase which will maintain the repeats of the ends, that is telomeres. So, there is a subtle connection between telomeres and telomerase. What is the significance and importance of telomeres? We are studying telomeres and telomerase from cancer biology point of view. So, significance and importance of telomeres. Telomeres confer stability on the ends of the chromosomes. Now, why telomeres are necessary? Telomeres are necessary because RNA primers at the 5' end of the completed lagging strand cannot be replaced with DNA, because the primer would have no place to bind. The ends are not there, the primer won't have place to bind. And if this happens, it would inevitably lead to the shortening of chromosomes. The chromosome shortening would take place. Once the chromosome shortens at each replication of DNA, there will be loss of important genes. So, this is going to be catastrophic, and this is what exactly happens during aging. However, you have a very important enzyme called as telomerase. Telomerase is also called as telomere terminal transferase. It's a reverse transcriptase enzyme responsible for telomere synthesis and maintaining the length of telomere. Remember students, what I said earlier, telomerase is high in two types of cells. In all actively dividing cells, normal actively dividing cells such as the fetal cells, as well as abnormally actively dividing cells such as our today's topic, that is cancerous cells. Biochemically, telomerase is a ribonucleoprotein, and in humans it contains RNA molecule that has one segment that is complementary to TGA triple G repeat. Let's work out the complementary. For T it will be A, and likewise for G it will be C. I am not writing the entire sequence. You have to understand that it is complementary to this TTA triple G repeat. So, therefore, it is used as a template for the replication of the telomeric sequence, and thus the enzyme telomerase prevents the shortening of the chromosome towards the end by acting as a template for the replication of telomeric sequences. This is by appropriate deoxynucleotide triphosphate that is added towards the ends. What is the clinical significance of telomeres and telomerase, and why are we studying in the context of cancer biology? Telomeres and telomerase have specific role in aging or senescence. Every cell that ages, there is, with each cell division there is telomeric shortening, and telomerase enzyme is quite high during cancer. So, all cancer cells, the telomerase enzyme is quite high or it is elevated. So, the basic outcome of this segment of the video is that whenever you suffer from cancer, all cancerous cells, if you measure telomerase, the telomerase level will be high. So, telomeres and telomerase can also be an indirect marker for detecting cancer. That concludes the telomeres and telomerase part of cancer biology. In my next videos, I will be talking about tumor markers. What are the role of tumor markers in cancer biology?